Hi, I'm Joel Hoya, and you're watching Lifestyle on Wheels, Motorsiklo News and Events. On December 12, 2018, at the Kawasaki Leisure Bikes in Imus, Cavite, of course, we witnessed the launch of this year's California Superbike School and its new partners here in the Philippines. Yes, Wheeltech and Kawasaki Motors Philippines are now the new partners of California Superbike School. And to know more, just watch this video.
About to discuss today with all our media friends present today. But before we start, I'd like to request everybody to stand up for a moment of prayer.
The key ingredient here is understanding. This school is going to provide you such an understanding that you'd become a more aware rider on the laws of physics. When you hit the road on two wheels and you talk about riding straight or curves or turns, the laws of physics kicks in. And once you're made aware of the limits of the things that can be done, then you would become more confident. When you are more confident, you ride better and you ride safely. Wheeltech is leaving no stones unturned. We're moving heavens and mountains, ika nga, to try to trailblaze into making our riding community grow by leaps and bounds. But of course, by growing, you have to remember that there is a huge responsibility resting on our shoulders.
For Kawasaki, we're not totally promoting Kawasaki bikes in this event because Kawasaki promote to support the advocacy of California Superbikes, promoting safety riding techniques. And Kawasaki Motors Philippines believes, adhere the science of safety riding and responsible riding.
Whatever bike you have, we encourage you to bring, because what you learn how to use at CSS, even though it's at the track, will make you a better rider on the streets. So bringing your own bike makes you more confident in what you ride every day. Very interesting to take note is that the California Superbike School actually has modules in place for small bikes in other countries. Our partner Jariel has been accepted into the apprenticeship, so very soon we'll have our own local CSS instructor, certified, yes.
9 years na ako nagra-ride and I already have my first national championship with the small bikes. Yung 9 years na ginagawa ko, mali pala. So, meron pa lang mas tamang technique to do it na mas madali and less effort. So, yes, pag nalaman mo scientifically how to ride and control the bikes, ano ba yung nangyayari, paano ba nakaka-apekto yung bawat pag-steer mo sa bike, syempre makakatulong yun sa mababang lap times.
I'm a product of California Superbike. I believe on the school because I finished on level 4. Simula pa lang, nung level 1 ko pa lang, inaasam-asam ko na po talaga, paano namin makukuha kaya yung California Superbike sa brand natin? So I think we're very happy right now after 5 years that ito na po tayo, Wheeltech Kawasaki California Superbikes na. Yeah, we just want to invite everybody who can join us with the California Superbike to learn the art of cornering. Please promote and tell everybody that we have now the California Superbike School here.
Well done, Wheeltech and Kawasaki Philippines, and of course to the California Superbike School for this exciting news for our local motorcycle enthusiasts. Now we can be assured that getting ourselves that new sport bike will not only make us cool, but also keep us safe. Thanks of course to the California Superbike School, and for a regular rate of 85,000 pesos, that's not bad for quality and top-notch Superbike School. Remember the date, February 23 to 24, 2019 at Clark International Speedway. On December 13, 2018, we went to the Dusit Tani Hotel in Makati. Caltex Philippines unveiled their new and improved product, the Caltex Spectrum, for gasoline and diesel engines. Eto sila mga papi, for diesel and for gasoline. According to Caltex, this is a scientifically proven technology that restores lost power and removes harmful deposits in your car's engine. To know more of the story, let's watch this video.
Feel more powerful, and that's again exactly what we will be talking about today. That's how Caltex has that unbeatable cleaning power that makes sure our car's engine is working at its best.
I will take this opportunity to thank our media friends for your constant and always support, and our car club friends and our customers, and also extend our appreciation to our partners to build, promote the Caltex brand, but more importantly, to deliver our service and our product experience to our customers in this market.
So if over the course of 3 years it's gone from clean to that, there is a significant drop-off of performance, but it is so slow, the driver never really notices it. We go down, we can once again see that deep inside the engine there, this particular intake valve is pretty much free from deposits. You can see the red tinge that comes from the dye that was in the fuel. That was port A, or valve A. Now we're going into the other side, and it's pretty much the same.
If you're not yet a loyal Caltex customer, or you are a Caltex customer but not as frequent as we would want you to be, which it should be every time you gas up, we will be offering a special promotion starting 2019. So you should start the year right. For a 500 peso fuel purchase, go to any participating Caltex station and you can buy the bottle, the Techron Concentrate Plus, and we're also offering it for Techron Diesel Concentrate. So how do you do it? Go to a Caltex, buy small as 500 pesos, buy the bottle, comes with the voucher, and then the next time you go back to a Caltex station, you can use those fuel vouchers. So we want to continue on using Caltex with Techron, with this promotion.
Good job, Caltex Philippines, for this incredible product that will surely help our country in terms of vehicle maintenance and performance. And not to mention, awesome savings due to improved fuel economy and engine parts maintenance. Noong December 16, pinuntahan po namin ang Yamaha Suporta Arangkada doon po sa Jariel's Peak. Panoorin po natin to. Yamaha Jariel's Peak Suporta Arangkada. The Yamaha Club culminated the year by gathering together to celebrate the Yuletide season. Over 1,000 riders were in attendance for the event where the I Love Yamaha Jariel's billboard was unveiled. The preparation for this Christmas engagement was as advanced as it could because the club members could not contain their excitement. Even with the challenging weather, it was not enough that it could stand in their way as they rode with holiday carols seemingly playing in the air. The spirit of giving was undoubtedly with everyone, and the gifts in form of prizes were received by the ride. The management of Jariel's Peak raffled off Yamaha Mio Sporty, Mio Aerox, and NMAX. The winner of the grand prize of a Yamaha YZF R15 opted to give his prize to his dear friend and fellow rider. The occasion symbolized all the best parts of this season and showed the camaraderie of Yamaha Club members. Nakita niyo po, maulan pero tuloy pa rin ang mga Yamaha riders sa pag-celebrate, and congratulations nga pala sa Yamaha Motors Philippines para sa successful event na ito. Thank you again for watching Lifestyle on Wheels, but please don't forget, every 6:30 PM dito po sa Signal TV, Channel 106, dito po sa Pinoy Extreme Channel. At kung gusto niyo po mapanood kami online, of course, visit www.motorsiklonews.com. And sa YouTube naman po, kung gusto niyo po doon mapanood. Mag-like na rin kayo at mag-subscribe para po lagi kayong updated sa aming pong mga videos that we put up. If you have comments and suggestions about the show, please email us at this address. Please follow us sa aming pong social media channels. Thanks again, my name is Joel Hoya. See you next time here at Lifestyle on Wheels TV.